These are our 9.2 notes. We are going to be solving systems of equations. And the first way we're going to do that is by graphing. So the first step in solving these when we're graphing is to make sure that your equation is in y equals mx plus b form. After that, you're going to graph each equation. You'll plot the b, that'll be our up and down part, on the y-axis, and then you'll plot our slope, which is our m, or our rise over run. And then you'll write the coordinates where the lines intersect. So let's do a couple examples so you can see what I'm trying to show you. Alright, in this first one here, we're in luck because it's in y equals mx plus b already. That is great news. So I'm going to look at the top equation. The first thing I'm going to plot is my b. I'm going to go up and down, up or down. So it's at -4. So I put a dot on -4. From there, I'm going to rise 3, 1, 2, 3, and run +1. When you are doing these, 1, 2, 3, 1, you need to count them out because it's really important that your line is actually straight so we can see where they cross. This next one, I'm going to start by going up 3 on the y-axis, putting a dot there. This one is, I can go up 1 and then 2 to the left, up 1, 2 to the left, up 1, 2 to the left, or I can go down 1 and 2 to the right. Either way. So, the number of solutions, this has one solution. The lines cross one time. They cross right here, right in the middle. Our coordinates for that, I'm going to go 2, 2. So the solution for that equation is 2, 2. This next one, I can plot this first one. I start at 1, and then I'm going to rise 2, run 1, rise 2, run 1. To do the opposite on the other side, I'm going to go down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1. That gets me that perfectly straight line, if I could draw it perfectly straight. All right, I have a problem with this one. It's not y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to have to move that 2x. Then I'm just going to rewrite my problem. Y equals, I put the x first, 2x minus 2. So let's graph this one. We start at the -2, rise 2, run 1, rise 2, run 1. So these lines have no solutions because they never touch. And we write that with the circle with a line through it. This is our last one. I'm going to graph this. Go 1 on the y-axis. Then I'm going to rise 2, run 1. Rise 2, run 1. Go down into the left 1, down into the left. All right. So there's my line. Now, this is not y equals mx plus b. I have to divide everybody by 2, which gets me the y by himself, which is what I want, 2 over 1x plus 1. So let's graph that one. So I'm going to go up 1, put a dot. Then my slope is rise 2, run 1. rise 2, run 1. Look, it's the same line, the same exact line. When you get that, that means that your solutions are infinitely many. So we would write that infinity sign right there. I need you to turn the page over and do numbers 1 through 12 for practice. Send me a picture or turn it in. Thank you.